applause once again. And now for their final walk, let's start with Snowblock. Palakpakan! Uy, pinakot mo yung mga babae doon. Dito. Doon, ano yung labasan mo? Pabalik dito, nalabas ka din talaga eh. Pabalik sa gitna. And next, we have Red Rider in Tandem. Balik na doon. Balik na. Rider in Tandem has a 35. 65 ang size above na to. And that was our second contender. Now we have the Philippines. Ikot pa. Ikot pa. Ikot pa. Hanggang mahilo pa. And we have Wamos. Okay lang, mas-denti ka kay Wamos. Ang tawag nura, litaw na litaw. Litaw na litaw ang kulay. And that was our fourth contender. And now, for our final walk for fifth contender, Miss, ikaw na ba na? Miss USA! Ang hindi ng mga kailangan. And that was our Miss Gay 2024 City Home Basic. Nakakaloka yung number 5, parang kinakareer. Baka bukas magpalit ka na. Dito natin malalaman kung sino ang panalo. And I will be judged by